welcome back to my new video. So guys, today our topic is how to choose a niche for your blog in 2022. Before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos, and also press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our every new video. Let's get started. You love the idea of starting a blog, but you are not sure what to write about. Or maybe you have an idea, but you are not sure if it will works or not. If you are nodding your head, you are definitely not alone. Choosing a blog niche is one of the hardest part of starting a blog. It makes all the technical stuff seem like a cakewalk in comparison. No matter what your road blog is, I am here to help you zero in one of the perfect niche for your new blog. You will learn three questions and you need to answer, come up with a blog niche that can grow, stick with, and maybe even monetize down the road. What do you need a blog niche anyway? The purpose of blog is to share your thoughts and ideas with the world, right? So we can just share your thoughts and ideas as they come to you. Well, there's no internet policy that will come break down your door if you don't stick to your niche, and there are people who have found success with a more secretive approach. What is a blog niche? What is a niche exactly? A blog niche is a specific topic you will write on your blog. Now, the problem is everyone has a different idea of what a specific topic is. One of the first blog worked on was a video game blog. We worked on it heavily for a few years and struggled to grow it. How to start a brainstorming a niche if you are stuck? Where does the niche come from? At this point in the process, you just need to brainstorm. You do want to validate your ideas eventually, but let's leave that for the next section. For right now, don't worry too much about feasibility and just come up with a big list of topics you think you might want to blog about. Beyond just starting at a wild wall and running through ideas in your brain, some good ways to come up with the ideas are: now it's a time to validate the list you brainstormed. Now you hopefully have a that list of your ideas of what you want to write about. Next, you need to validate those ideas to find the best one of your blog. Finding your perfect niche is a balancing act between three different factors. Number one is one love writing about one of the years and 50 plus posts from now. You will find the year-long gap between posts along with an update and a promise the post or more often. If you read blogs, I can guarantee you have seen that pattern play out again and again. This is not meant to be negative value judgment on those people. It's just a statement that consistently blogging about a topic is a hard work. Are there other people who want to read about this topic? If you have made it through the first question, you know there's at least one of the person interested at blog niche. Now it's time to figure out whether there are any other people you want to join in on the fun. Thankfully, this is an easier question to answer. People, because it's less soul researching and more research. Do a title keyword research. Okay, so now you have a rough idea of your niche, popularity, and momentum from Google Trends, but because Google Trends use relative numbers, it's not the best guess of absolute numbers. That is doesn't tell you exactly how many people are searching for terms in your niche right now. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. Thank you so much.